Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a recipe of tasty potato wedges. This recipe is very simple and easy. Do subscribe our YouTube channel for latest update and press the bell icon also. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Turn on the gas and place a saucepan. In a saucepan add 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil the water on low flame. Here I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes. The potatoes are nicely washed. Now let's cut wedges from the potato. As shown in the video, first cut potato into 2 equal halves. Then cut the wedges like this. From one potato, here I cut 16 wedges. Keep the potato wedges in water to prevent them from oxidation. Now cut the wedges from another potato. Total 32 potato wedges are done here. Now water is nicely boiled. Put all the potato wedges in boiling water. Cook the potato wedges in boiling water for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook them. In 4 minutes, here potatoes are nicely cooked. Now let's remove them from hot water. Remove the potatoes from hot water and cool them completely at room temperature. Now let's add some spices. First, 1/4 teaspoon acetofatida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for color. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, and salt as per taste. You can adjust spices as per your choice. Now squeeze the juice of half lemon and add 2 teaspoons of corn flour for binding. Now add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. Coat all the masala to potato wedges. Marinate the potato wedges minimum for 10 minutes. Let's preheat the OTG at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes to bake the potato wedges. Grease the plate with butter or ghee. If you don't have OTG, don't worry, just deep fry the potatoes and serve. Now in a plate, arrange the all potato wedges as shown in the video. Potato wedges are ready to bake in the OTG. In preheated OTG, place the potato wedges. Now bake the potato wedges at 200 degrees Celsius on baking mode for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, change the mode to broil for 5 minutes. After 20 minutes, potatoes are nicely baked. Here I have placed a small bowl. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup and 1 teaspoon mayonnaise. Now sprinkle chaat masala over a potato wedges. Here our tasty, quick and easy potato wedges are ready to serve. Do subscribe our channel for latest update and also press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video.